Hi, you probably have a déjà vu because maybe you remember this Mi Band from one of the previous videos, actually 2 previous videos where I tried to fix it. Well, the fix was successful, but Mi Band died. So the fix wasn't successful. It turns out that the aquarium silicone isn't the best thing for it. Well, I was swimming in the sea and the Mi Band started acting up. The screen started lighting up randomly. So you know what? We did some teardown of it. It was non-destructive. But as I have a new Mi Band, which is completely out of focus now, and maybe you can see it. No, of course you cannot because it's out of focus. Yeah, I have a new Mi Band. So let's open this one up and focus. Of course, it's hard to focus. Hopefully it's in focus. Right, so after using silicone, you see it just pops open without any problem. It was a wrong glue for this task. Completely wrong thing for this task. Here is some seawater, salt water. I think it's destroyed now. You know, maybe I could repair it, but I don't know. Maybe I could just use a different glue. But let's tear it apart and see what's there. Yeah. And let's zoom down. Let's focus, of course. Or I will increase the zoom by bringing the Mi Band closer. No, give me a second. All right, let's continue. This is the screen, of course. Some tracks. You know what, maybe let's try to focus as close as I can. It will be very hard for me to keep it in focus. But well, you can see some tiny tracks here. This is really tiny. I should use a microscope for it. Maybe you can see it. Some tracks. This is the flex board, flex connector. On the other side, yeah, I will just put it here and focus on it. There is some green screen which I can probably remove. It will be destructive, but at this point I don't care. Okay, here are some components. Well, maybe, you know what, let's bring it even closer to the lens. Yeah, well, I hope you can see it. This is so tiny. This is my finger in comparison. And I'm constantly trying to refocus on it because it's really, really hard. But yeah, this is the flex board for the display and the display itself. And on the other side, it's out of focus on the other side. Yeah, it's this flex here. And of course the connector here. Nothing really to see here, but let's open this part, and let's this time let's really open it. Oh, I can see some, I don't know what is it. It's not rust. I will show it to you in a moment. some copper oxides, I don't know. Well, the board is ruined. The board is completely ruined in here, so I don't know even if I wanted to, if I was able to actually bring it back to life. Maybe I would, maybe not. I don't know. So let's open it. Let's disconnect the flex here, and this time using this lens, you know, I have to really watch very close what you can see, because it's very easy to fall out of focus or out of view. Yeah, it looks like this. Well, it had contact with salt water. Yeah, so let's unscrew those two tiny screws. Maybe I will pause, I won't bore you with it. Alright, so I remove the battery. Here is the battery with its markings if you're interested. If you ever want to replace the battery in this Mi Band. This is the battery. Actually, I will keep it, so if you ever need a used battery, you can just contact me. I think I will be happy to get rid of it. I will just store it in a place where I store used batteries, safely of course. And now let's see the board. And by the way, this is the back side of the board with the battery removed. Is it in focus? I don't know. Yeah, sort of. This is the back side of it. Charging pins, vibration motor, which is completely out of focus. But what I want to do, yeah, this is some chip. I want to remove this screen. And I wonder how should I do it without, does it come off like this? Probably not. Definitely not. Well, I can always use hot air and remove it, but I don't want to remove other components as well, because I want us to take a look together. So yeah, I will remove the screen with hot air. I will try to remove the screen with hot air. I will remove the vibration motor and we'll take a look. One moment please. Or actually, you know what, let's do it together. I just put it a little farther from the lens. I hope I won't ruin it before I have a chance to show it to you. I just want to remove the screen right now. Okay, great. It went great. And now let's remove the screen on the other side as well, and we will take a closer look in a moment. So, is it hot? Yeah, well, as I would expect it to be. It's really hot. But I can manage somehow, maybe. Let's put it here. Of course, I say here, and you cannot see this here. Yeah, let's put it here. And let's try to remove the screen. Shield, actually. It's shielding, not screening. Remove the shield. You know, sometimes I use strange words to name things, because this shield in Polish is called, well, it's called the screen. It's the same word for the shield and for the screen. So that's why I sometimes misuse some words. But I work on it. Okay, come on. Great! Now let's take a closer look. Hocus pocus, it's in focus. It's really hard to focus here. Right, so there's some chip. Winbond 25Q256. Is it a flash memory? I don't know. I will check later. Looks like a flash memory to me. And hocus pocus, out of focus again. Yeah. And well, on this side it's the only chip where there is something. No, it's a coil. It's a coil. What is? Where is it? What is this? This part? I have no idea. Small coil? I don't know. Maybe I should bring some more light here. Some more focus. Stop shaking the camera when I refocus. I don't know. Stop shaking, please. Okay, I don't know what it is. But this is the vibration motor. This is probably the flash memory, but I'm not sure. I will check. And now let's switch to the other side. So here's the other side. There is some chip, DA14697. Yeah, another chip. And yeah, this is salt water in action. Some other chip here. I don't know what it is. Oh, please focus. No, I cannot see the marking. Sometimes it's hard to. Or maybe I will use some external light and just point the light here. No, there is no marking here. Well, there is some marking, but I cannot see it. Maybe I will just rotate it. Then we'll see. Oh, come on, come here. No. And two other chips. I cannot see the marking in this light. I don't know. You probably can't as well. Let's maybe bring some more light here. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good idea, but more light is always a good idea, unless it's too much light. Okay. Now it's out of focus. Bloody focus. No, you know what? I want to show and actually read the marking of one of those chips. Maybe now it will be better. 10802 or 10B02. No, it's 8. AP51NN, and the second one I have no idea. You can see it yourself. Not this dialog chip. And by the way, it's upside down, but you get the point. So it's really highly integrated. It's, well, I expected it, actually. And, well, not much else here to see. This is some crystal, maybe 2 crystals next to the dialog chip. But yeah, and let's take a look at this copper oxide. I don't know. Oh, and this is the charging chip you already saw. Come on, get here. Come here. No, you cannot see it. It's really hard for me to show it. And this is a charging chip. This chip on the right side, which is out of focus, of course. Couldn't be different. So yeah, well, that's it. This is the Mi Band 6 inside. Well, You know what, let's take a look at sensors before we end the video. Alright, so this is the board with sensors, and please don't ask me what they are because I have no idea what this band really senses. Well, this looks like some LED. This looks like some, I don't know, LED, or those structures look like LED structures. And what is this? I have no idea. But if you know, you can share it in the comments. And the other side has actually nothing, some markings. Yeah, and the flex cable, Ponji D1, whatever it is, Ponji D1. And by the way, here is the copper oxide on the flex. Maybe I will be able to focus on it. You can't see it well on camera. You know what? I need to make myself some ring that I would put on the lens, and that would light up the area. So this is the sensor board again. Maybe okay, let's try making it a little brighter. I don't know if it's a good idea. Maybe I will ruin the video. Oh, I don't see any difference on my screen, but maybe you can see the difference on a video, because, well, the board is really dark. Let's overexpose it completely. It's probably horrible, but now, at least now, you can see all those black spots, all those black. Yeah, well, it's focus, please. It's overexposed because I have a white background and the metering mode is set to, I don't know, I don't remember, but it takes not a spot but a whole picture. What is this? 861708 ENG B108 DJ. Some chip. And those sensors. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for today, because the video is taking too long as always, and I even didn't remove. Now it's completely overexposed. I didn't even remove the, yeah, now it's correctly exposed. The touch screen here, but I don't think I will do it. Or maybe, you know what, I will break it. This is a given that I will break it. But maybe we should do it. Okay, so this video is already too long and I'm making it longer. And, yeah, if you're wondering what the background is, those are some random screws, some random box with some random screws, just to make it closer to the lens. Oh, it breaks. Oh, it broke. It broke, and you couldn't see it probably. Where is it? The breaking point. Where is the breaking point? No, you cannot probably see it. It's hard for me to show it. But yeah, let's break it even more. And you will see at some point. I just hope I won't end up with a glass shattered all over my place, because my cats won't be really happy about it. Yeah, but the glass goes down on this box and I will just throw it out. It's probably not very wise to do it, because you know what, I don't know what it is. I will show it to you, but there are so many layers here. Where is actually the touch part is here. This is the touch sensitive part, and this is just the screen with various layers. At this point I don't even remember if it was organic LED or LCD. Probably organic. Yeah, this is the screen. Nothing to see here really. Let's break it. No, it breaks completely. It's completely broken now. And now the task to assemble it back together. Just kidding. Thanks for watching.